a look at the picture. Now I'm going to say something about my picture and then later on you tell me yours, okay? Okay, let's begin. In my picture, Leo, the man wearing a shirt has red stripes.
My picture.
The man
The man is
wearing
wearing
a shirt
a shirt
has
has
blue
blue
stripes.
stripe.
Okay. Number two, in my picture, the time is 5:30.
In my picture, the time is 5 o'clock.
Okay. In my picture, the man wearing glasses is carrying fruits.
In my picture, the the man is wearing
Carrying,
water.
okay, carrying water. Next, in my picture, there is a cake on the table.
In my picture, put in the table.
Okay. In my picture, the girl at the door is holding scissors.
In my picture, the girl cái này cái gì kìa?
Is holding
Is holding
a hairbrush.
a hairbrush.
Okay. Now let's move to information exchange. This is your copy and this is mine. I don't know anything about Robert, but you do. So I'm going to ask you questions. Later, you will ask me about Sarah. Okay? Let's start here. Okay, Leo, what's the name of Robert's favorite restaurant?
It's a basket.
Okay. What does he like eating?
Pizza.
Pasta. Where is the restaurant?
No.
Is it in the North Street?
It's no cheese.
Okay. What time does it open?
Mm,
What time does it open? What time does it open? 12.
12 o'clock.
Is it cheap or expensive?
It's expensive.
Okay, now this time you ask me about Sarah.
What's the name of his favorite restaurant?
It's Rainbow Restaurant.
What does he like eating?
She likes pizza.
Where is the restaurant?
It's in the Hill Street.
What time does it open?
It opens at 12:30.
Is it cheap or expensive?
It's cheap. Okay, now let's have the last part. You're going to tell me a story, Leo, using these pictures. It's called The Brave Teacher. One day, the teacher is having a lesson with the students. Nick and Anna are not listening because they are looking at the window. Now, what happened next?
This and Anna see cats in the tree.
Then,
Then
the teacher
teacher look in outside.
And the students are
The students are
looking at
looking at
the teacher
teacher
going to
go into that cat.
the cat. Then what is the teacher doing?
Teacher climb in the tree
Mm, to get.
to get cat.
Mhm. To get the cat down.
To get the cat down.
Then what happened next? Finally,
Finally,
the teacher
the teacher mm,
saves the cat.
sees the cat.
And what are the students doing?
In
The